Hi guys, so we are at the New Delhi railway station and we are boarding our train to...
Don't tell them.
If you wanna go, I'm down.
So we are starting a new series and we are going to cover Indian cities in that. So right now we are here at NDLS railway station and we are waiting for our train. A couple of hints, shall we give them? Hint number one, it's one of the holiest cities of India. Do you want to give a hint number two, as it's your hometown?
I think that is the biggest hint.
But people don't know what your hometown is.
Okay, so it is the Kumbh Nagari.
Okay.
I think that is enough.
So guys, we'll be spending a couple of days in the holy city of Prayagraj, also known as Allahabad. So the idea is to get a holy experience of the holy city, go to almost all temples of Prayagraj, go to Sangam, enjoy a lot of fun things over there. And Aishwarya is from Allahabad, so she can be my personal tour guide. This is the first time we are visiting there since we have started the whole YouTube journey. So we thought let's share the whole journey with you guys as well. So I hope you like the video. If you haven't subscribed us yet, please do subscribe
Ting,
to
ting,
our
ting.
channel. And we also covered Turkey in our 11 video Turkey series. So do check that out. I'll be sharing the link somewhere over here. So guys, we are traveling with first AC today. This is our coach, H2. So this is our personal cabin. And so the best thing about this is that you can actually close the door like this. You can actually lock it. You can close the curtain and you have complete privacy. So basically it's very good if you are concerned about your luggage and you can't sleep while traveling in trains during the night. So it's a perfect little coach that you get. So it has two kind of varieties. First one is the one that we are traveling in. It has 2 seats, and in the second one you have 4 seats. So this is the 4-seater coach. It has 4 seats, perfect for 4 people traveling together. Rahul के नाम से होगा? Thank you. Yeah. Room service. Room service.
Thank you.
Madam bill. So guys, when you travel with first AC, you don't only get the complete room to yourself. You also get a table on which you can eat food. So this is our table. This is our luggage. So Aishwarya, why don't you open the pizza with your Shuddh Hath. And this is our pizza. This looks good. So guys, when it comes to booking this ticket, the total cost for first AC in Prayagraj Express is about 2,390 rupees. So yes, we are enjoying our first AC experience and it looks quite good. So the best part is that we have 2 seats to ourselves. We can lock the door, have the whole place to ourselves. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. We'll be enjoying the pizza. See you in Allahabad in a short time. So good morning guys, we are here at Allahabad railway station. So we are going to Aishwarya's home. Kuch nahi chahiye bhaiya. So we'll be getting fresh and then I think it's a working day, so we have to resume work for today.
इसका यूज़ क्या है?
रिकॉर्डिंग इसमें होती रहती है, लोग हेलमेट में लगाए रहते हैं।